Hi. In this video, we'll explore how to repair files using Miera Pro. Let's dive in. Let us begin with understanding how autofix can be performed. Click on Import Parts and select the desired file. Click on Update Status to check for errors. Red sign indicates presence of holes in the file. Double-click the file or press Ctrl+F to check open the shell repair console. The file has 246 shells and 110 holes. To make the repair faster, triangle reduction is applied by default. This can be turned off by unchecking triangle reduction or decimate in the Edit and Repair tab. Click Autofix to begin automatic mesh repair. The file is now fully repaired and comprises of a single shell with no holes. Let us now import another file to understand manual repair. The goal of manual repair is to ensure that no open shells remain in the file. As seen here, open shells are marked in red and hole boundaries are marked in yellow. Click on Faces to sort by number of faces. Click on Closed to sort by watertight status. Remove potential noise shells by clicking on Remove Noise. Select the redundant inner shells and click on Delete. Click on Update to apply changes. Now, only watertight shells remain. Click Autofix to unify all shells. Let's now test a more complex file with multiple issues. This time, change the edge length to 0.015 mm and click Autofix. After repair, a single hole remains. Select the shell and click Fill Holes. Now, the part is hole-free and ready for further editing. Finally, let's study a case where stitching is needed. Import the ring and repair it using Autofix. Autofix hasn't worked well for this case as unwanted triangles can be seen. Press Ctrl+Z to undo and check the shells again in Shell Repair console. As seen here, there are two shells, marked in red, with an open boundary, which need to be stitched. To do this, select the shell and click on Stitch. Fill holes if the shell remains open even after stitching. Update status to see the changes. Now only watertight shells remain. Click on Autofix to finish. This time, the unwanted triangles do not appear and the file has been repaired correctly. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you in better understanding our repair functions.